Hey, what's up guys? So I wanted to make a video on how to overclock your controller. A bunch of people in my stream wondered how to do it. So I decided to make a video since it's not necessarily a known thing. And for some reason a lot of people just don't know about it. I don't know why. But it's pretty simple and I'm going to show you how to do it. So this link right here from GitHub will be in the description. So all you have to do is click on this one right here. You just click on the zip and you should see a download button or view raw. You can do either or, it doesn't matter. And so once you download it, you put it on your desktop as a folder. I have it right here. So there'll be a whole list of stuff that you don't want to mess with. All you have to do is click on setup. And this program right here will open. So here's a few things that you have to look out for is you cannot change ports of your controller. It has to be wired, obviously, for it to work. So here, I'll show you. Let's go to, you have to click on all right here for devices, and you have to find your controller in these devices. So I will plug in my controller right now. I use my keyboard port. You have to keep it on the same port, and if you change controllers or ports, you have to do it again. But you don't have to worry about it at all if you don't change ports. So I plugged in my controller, it's right here. So for you guys, it's gonna say filter no, and it's gonna say default rate. And by default, it will be 5 milliseconds. So under this list, you should see 5, but what you want to do is click on wireless controller, click install service once, and then switch this to 1000 for selected rate, install service again, and click on filter on device if it's not checked already, and install service again. So when you unplug it, it should it should disappear. You plug it back in and it should pop up saying yes on filter and 1000 rate, selected rate, and the response time should be 1. So pretty much after that you're good to go. You don't have to keep the program open. You can close it forever, and every time you reconnect your controller to the same port with the same controller, it should work 100%. So that's pretty much it. That's the tutorial. I know this tutorial is kind of scuffed, but it's been a while since I've directly talked to people off stream. So I hope this helped you guys. The link will be in the description. If you guys want, you can join my Discord server. I would appreciate it. Be sure to follow my Twitch. It will be on the screen and the description below. I'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it.